In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone 15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Apple Wallet and Apple Pay on any iPhone model that you have is extremely simple. So you will be able to set up Apple Pay and make in-store or online payments, whatever you prefer. First, open the Settings application and go over to Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure that it is enabled, so if there is a toggle for you to check, make sure that it is toggled on. And once this is done, you will be able to add your first card. So you can open the Apple Wallet app or do it from the Settings menu. When you go over to your wallet or you choose the option to add a card, you will be able to proceed and include the details about a credit or debit card. You can also use prepaid cards from participating banks. Now, include all of the details about the card. You can either use your camera to automatically import them or manually type out the full card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. If you have to verify that you are the owner of the card, choose from any of the options available, and finally the card is going to be attributed to your Apple Wallet. With this done, you can use Apple Pay in store or in apps. If you are in store, double-click the side button to activate Apple Pay. Now hold your iPhone near the contactless reader. By placing your iPhone near the card reader, you will be able to authenticate the purchase with Face ID or Touch ID and get this done. And you can repeat this as many times as you wish. If you are making purchases in apps, open the app, look for the Apple Pay button during checkout. You will be able to tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. Usually there will be a pop-up telling you the summary of this order, how much it's going to cost, and once again you can authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to proceed and finish making this purchase with the desired card that you selected and added to your Apple Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Pay iPhone 15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.